What's good, YouTube man? Kid coming through with another banger match analysis. Before this match analysis starts, please do make sure you smash that like button, smash the subscribe, and let's try to get this video over 150 likes. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be trying to go for 10 if not 15 odds for today, because I see that we do have a bit of teams playing. You know what I'm saying, nation? So without further ado, let me share yesterday or today's match analysis results. So I'm gonna start off with the ticket that I shared. It was 5 teams, 1 goal, 90 plus 2 minutes. Really unlucky, took us out of the game. You know what I'm saying? But nation, you know, man, we're back. We're coming back later than ever. You know what I'm saying? So all the other predictions were accurate. This team just got a last minute goal, 92nd minute, so we ain't complaining. So if your boys also don't know, I do have a VIP Betway group where I share odds. But the thing about the VIP group is I use a 3 odds strategy. Let me show you today's match analysis results for the VIP. So what I do is I send out 2 or 3 tickets, one of them being these 3 odds. You know what I'm saying? So I have a high chance of winning 3 odds, as you can see today with the Take W. So if you want to be part of the VIP, it's a paid group, hit me up, link in the description. So without further ado or wasting your time, nation, you know we're back and we're literally starting with Brentford versus Aston Villa. So let's see what these teams have for us. You know what I'm saying, nation? I'm coming back late 2022. You know, man, new year, new me, no more stresses, no more nothing, focused. And thank the Lord that you made it to 2022. Happy New Year. Okay, so let's see what these teams have for us. You know what I'm saying, nation? And smash that like button, man. Please subscribe, man. You know I am the only channel on YouTube that shares the results. People be giving out strategies, but they don't show the results, if you know what I'm saying. I always show results. So smash that like button for that fact. Come on now, nation, please help your boy grow. It's 2022. I'm trying to reach 100k subs by June. So okay, so we have Aston Villa versus Brentford. You know what I'm saying? So Brentford have been winning more matches, you know what I'm saying? So but if we slide over here, we see Aston Villa are a bit forward. So for this one, it's either we're gonna go with match analysis or not bookings. I mean bookings. So let's pray that. Oh, too many bookings. You know what I'm saying, nation? I'm thinking now, nation. Let's try for corners. Maybe corners. Oh, okay, so I think we're gonna have to go with draw. Let's see one more time. Draw or Aston under 4. Draw Aston Villa under 4, because last time it was 2019, and we do understand that Brentford in 2019 were performing better than. Oh no, they won't. Okay, let's keep Brentford and Arsenal for now, nation. Everton versus Brighton. I feel like Everton is underrated, if you know what I'm saying, nation. I really feel like Everton is underrated, because I don't know, man. I just feel like they're underrating Everton one time too many, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, so we have Everton or Brighton under 4. Hopefully they don't disappoint us, you know what I'm saying, nation. So if we run out of teams, I'm gonna go back to Aston Villa. I already have a bet in mind. I just don't wanna do the bet right now, because you know what I'm saying, nation. If I go with that bet and start the match analysis with an unsure bet, then we're gonna lose the bet most likely, or not. We're gonna have a higher chance of losing the bet than winning the bet. So let's see how much time I've taken so far. I'm trying to keep this video under 10 minutes, you know what I'm saying, nation. I want to waste your time. So Leeds, Burnley. Burnley or Leeds, it's also gonna be under 4.5. I feel. We're going based on the match analysis, not on based on what we think. We look at the match analysis, we get the average goal, and we then decide is it gonna be under or over 1.5. But I feel like Leeds are gonna take this one home, no cap. So let's go with draw or Leeds. Actually, draw or Leeds under 4.5 because it's 0.52 odds. I feel like it's a good bargain. Okay, so let's move on, nation. Chelsea and Liverpool. This is a tough one. Ask me why. I'm gonna tell you why. Chelsea been drawing a lot. Liverpool been losing a lot. So for this one, man, we're gonna need ultra focus. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try my best. We're gonna crack this nut, and we're gonna come out with a match analysis. You know what I'm saying? So technically, I would go with just go with Chelsea or Liverpool under 4. But Liverpool, we look at this year. Okay, Liverpool got a red card. Chelsea 1-0, Liverpool 2-0, 5-3. Chelsea. Okay, so this one is a Chelsea or Liverpool, and it's gonna be under 4.5. Hopefully, let's see one more time. It's 2 minute draws, and you can never bet bookings for a team like this. Never, nation. So we're gonna go with Chelsea or the other team under 4.5. Chelsea or Liverpool under 4.5. Because as you can see, most of the matches are under 4.5. I don't think tomorrow it's gonna be a draw, if you know what I'm saying. Real Madrid. La Liga's like La Liga's like too easy for Madrid now. It's not competitive. Atletico Madrid is number 5th. So like for La Liga, they're like just enjoying themselves. They're enjoying themselves, you know what I'm saying, nation. If you enjoyed the video so far, if you think these videos are helpful, if you feel they're informative, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. You know, we later. Draw Real Madrid over 1.5. Please don't disappoint. Draw Real Madrid over 1.5. You go to over 1.5 and you click on draw Real Madrid. 5.8 something odds. You know we lead. So without wasting time, we have Real Betis Silva. No. Actually, okay, Atletico Madrid. I'm sorry. I ain't seen Atletico playing, so we're gonna jump to Atletico, then we're gonna jump to the other big teams to increase the chances of us securing the bag, you know what I'm saying. So we're gonna bet. Hold on now, man. What's going on, bruh? Make sure that you when you check on SofaScore the matches, make sure they align with the date. Like here it says 17 hours, the other one said 2 months time, so make sure that aligns. So we're gonna go with Atletico Madrid or draw under 4. Or Atletico or Rayo under 4. Is it actually gonna be under 4? Let's see. Don't jump into conclusions. So let's go with Atletico or Rayo under 4. see it has been on the phone in most matches. Okay, so we said we're jumping to Barcelona, and I think that should be enough. Alright, nation, so let's see what the Catalans have for us. You know what I'm saying? Xavi Hernandez, let's see what you got for us, dog. Look at this. Only one player, man, is rated above 7. I feel like Barcelona gonna draw, man. No cap, draw Barcelona under 4.5, man. Alright, so 12.18 odds. If you want more odds, smash that like button, nation. Without further ado, wasting your time, remember to check my VIP. Goodbye.